आखिरी बार. So hello guys, welcome to my channel Gaming Geeks, and this video I'll tell you about Super Arena. First was subscribe the channel, and now this is my last PUBG video, and after this I'll show you some vlogs or some extra videos of some other games, but this is last of PUBG. So let's go. So this game was good, awesome for me, and I just wanted to tell you how to control the recoil of AKM. I know that doesn't matter now, especially of Indian players, but still better late than never. So I used AKM and M762 best ever comboing tools. So means I started pretty well with good KD assist. We were winning, and in the last something happened which would shock all of you. They were about to win, but then we covered up a lot better, and it became the best match of the year. So I'll show you some of my medium range fights with AKM in this video, and how to recoil control. First of all, to recoil control, you can use only the iron sight, not red dot, no hollow, no scope, only iron sight, and you will be able to manage the recoil. And if you don't, then you can crouch or prone to have better effect on people. And M762, it's a pretty good gun. I only used it in emergencies when AKM bullets were finished. And one more use of the 7.62 gun, if you get free fire na, then free fire will get you a lot of damage before it touches his. See, he in this now he crouched, but I still able to change the position. I play with my thumbs only, no three fingers. He played with three fingers, but don't be so unique in this. Just try your best, and with thumb also you can manage your aim. If you are claw or forefinger, doesn't matter, but you have to be best in that. I am best in thumb one, so I play thumb. So I was playing well 5-3. Then I got little bit selfish, wanted to get the level 3 helmet, but he came and destroyed. So I came again, and then I destroyed them. Literally destroyed them. They were leaving one by one, and then you'll see the destruction level in 200. You will see our team. We played with coordination. They were coming one by one. We were killing one by one, and they were going out of the lobby one by one. So guys, PUBG is banned due to some security reasons and due to border tension. So I won't oppose this decision taken by the government. I'm sad. Everybody is sad. PUBG is gone. But we can accept this fact, and we can play some other mobile games or PS games, any games, and it was about the soldiers, so we'll support them. No tension. Did you see this M762 recoil? I use all the 7 guns with the iron sight. M762 also. I can use M762 with 3x, but I love the iron sight of these guns, and that's why I am able to control the recoil. See, did you see? There were only 2 left now, because I thought that something they are very less, how they are not coming so fast, how the game is going so slow, and then I realized that they are going one by one, and in the end this person will stay and he'll be destroyed from all 4 sides. In invincibility also he was crying for help. You'll see, don't worry. And we won this match. I was the MVP with 16 kills, and then I thought that let's use and first shot gone. There will be one or two shots as well. You'll see it. Oh, I wasn't able to catch that up. Then I tried for some more shots of and see, leg shot, but it's though, so banda gone. So yeah, we were winning. Then only one person was left. I tried to connect the shot of last storm, but I wasn't able to and was not successful though. But आखिरी बार match was a lot fun. only one was left. I wanted 16 kills. 15 is a good number, but I got 16 with Dom last shot. Left, I wanted 17 kills, but I wasn't able to get though. The match was pretty good, and bye bye guys. See you. Subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the video. Press the like button and